Welcome to the BFPI battle known as Battle for Space Palace. I'm your host, the speaker announcer.
You finished that?
Wait, did Daddy say that?
No, I wanted to play more.
What did
I'm
Daddy?
bored with these survivor things.
So what did Daddy say about it?
Didn't say anything.
Wait, did you tell him that? Alright, so I'm just gonna pick two random people to be team captains. Those people are No! Okay, fine.
Grassy.
Grasso and TV. So you
But
guys,
there will be 3 teams.
that's because it's BFSP my way, so. Alright, Grassy. Alright, I'm just gonna randomize the teams real quick. You know what, Grassy, you pick first. You have about
Yes.
14 minutes to pick. So you gotta pick about, you have about 14 minutes to pick who you want. Alright, I'll throw out my best flag. You get Dora. Because I know she but she's gonna be great. I want to be on your team, Gracie, because I don't want Tori to go my first day. Alright, so let's pick first.
Yeah, right.
Alright, first, yeah. Oh, we'll pick okay. So you team Mommy. You know what? I'm just gonna let everybody else go. I want to get out the way, y'all. You don't want to get screwed. Yes.
Friday at 12, got new episodes coming out, so you better get your butts ready.
I know. I'm just randomizing teams.
Wait, how are you gonna? Told you get 3 teams. Told you get 3 teams. Everyone's getting bunched up.
Okay, I want to join this. Ooh. I want to join this team because it's more popular. You guys are the only people I love. I'll join this team. And I'll join this. Here. Alright, so
We're special teams.
the first challenge is to have a battle for the space palace. The team who gets it first will win.
Wait. Let's get this into a second.
The first challenge is to
Wait.
the first challenge.
Wait. Before we stop.
The first
Wait. Well, let's do the intro first. You're battling for Space Palace. Today's first challenge.
The first challenge. Yo, what are you doing?
I'm trying to see if I can fix it.
Alright, so the first challenge is to try and get the space palace. The team that gets the first wins.
I can't even get the battle back.
So these guys are the winners. So that means